The feature that full AutoCAD has more than AutoCAD LT is the parametric feature here. When you click on the parametric features, parametric tab, you can see that we have a lot of tools here. What does it mean parametric? I will show you from an example here. If I have the line, I would like to make this line vertically. I will use this constraint to force the line, the inclined line to become straight line vertically like this, and horizontally like this line as well. I would like to have it in horizontal direction here. We call this constraint that AutoCAD LT doesn't have, but full AutoCAD has. So we use this one, but we use the clip to control the stretching of the lines freely, but we can hide this constraint. However, we can't change the direction of this line because it very is fixed to the direction of vertical that we did constrain to this line, and as well as this line as uh, we can see that the horizontal direction we can hide, but we can't change the direction. How to get rid of the constraint? First of all, we do the escape to unselect all the line, and then we use the delete constraint, select the line and delete constraint. Here we go, the line freely again. You can move, you can stretch in whatever direction. However, when you want to make the line horizontal, again, you use the constraint to force the line to horizontal direction, as well as this line to vertical direction, like this. However, the common commands still work, so we try to use a trim command, tr here, and we trim the line here. We can undo Ctrl Z to bring back the line. We can move, we can stretch. However, the line still falls to the horizontal direction. Okay, another example is that I have the four sides rectangle, but I would like to make it a square. So I use the equal constraint to make this side equal to this side. Equal constraint again, this side equal to this side. And equal again, this side equal to this side. So we all have four sides equally. I would like to make this line horizontal here, the base line horizontally, the vertical line vertically. Here we go. We got the square completely like this. You see? But I would like to change. I type the 100 here, enter. Here we go. We got the 100 side. I will show you by the linear constraint here. Here we go, 100. You see this one. Another example is the circle. I would like to make two circles equally in radius, so I use the equal constraint. The first and the second circles, they are equal, right? I delete the constraint. This one, delete. When delete the constraint will be deleted in pair because this one relate to this one. When we delete the constraint from this one, it's also delete from this one as well. So I would like to change the radius to the smaller size, and then I would like the line to touch the circle. I use the tangent constraint, made this line tangent to the circle, and tangent again this side tangent to this circle. Here we go. Another example, this line tangent to the circle, this line tangent to this circle. Here we go. You can see, but the direction of the tangent may be different. Maybe you can help the system by undoing here and move the line to touch close to the tangent point that you expected. And then we use the tangent again because we move the line to close to the point of tangent. So it's easy for the system to consider the tangent point. And here we go. All four objects tangent to each other, right? And then I would like to change the size of the circle. Can you see this? The line still keep the tangent as we force the line to tangent. We call this feature parametric. It helps us a lot in the very precise detail of the drawing. But we can use the extend to extend the line to touching, and we hold the shift key to trimming the line, or we will consider the trimming trim this line instead in case that we trim the line and it disappear all the entire line. We can use the trim command to just trim the portion that extend beyond the circle as I show. And here we go. The relation still keeping, and when we change something such as the radius of a big circle, the line still touching and tangenting to the circles as we force the line. However, the endpoint may be missing. You can use the extend again, ex command to extend the line to touch the circle again like this. And also with this one as well, we use the vertical to force this line to vertical, and we would like to do the mirroring these three lines. So we use the mirror command first from here to here. Yeah, and we would like to keep the relation and keeping their equality all the time. So we use the symmetry, first line, second line, the mirror line. Keep doing it, left line, right line, mirror line. Keep doing it, left line, right line, mirror line. So when we change something on the left side, can you see? On the right side still changing as well. But you can see that the length of the line differences because we miss the command equal. We still have to add equal to left to right, left to right, left to right. And then when we change the direction or move it apart here, stretching like this, we can hide all the constraint because it's quite messy on the screen. Hide all. Okay, we use the command hide all to hide all the constraint because the screen is clearly to see, and then you change back. This one, when you change change anything. Undo here. It still keep mirroring between those lines. Here we go. This is the parametric feature that full AutoCAD has more than AutoCAD LT do.